Most agencies won't survive 2027 not because marketing is dying, but because the entire agency model is changing faster than people realize. AI is replacing tasks, clients are expecting faster results, and businesses no longer own service. They want outcomes, the scary part. Most agencies are still operating like it's 2019. And that's exactly why thousands of agencies may disappear in the next few years. So, in this video, I'll show you what's changing, why agencies are struggling, and the exact type of agencies that will dominate the future. Right now, the agency world looks successful from the outside. Everyone is starting social media agencies, SEO agencies, performance marketing agencies, branding agencies, AI automation agencies. But behind the scenes, client retention is dropping, margins are shrinking, competition is exploding. And AI just accelerated everything. The truth is, the old agency playbook is breaking. Here is the biggest problem. Most agencies see tasks, not transformation. They say things like, we'll post 30 reels, we'll run ads, we'll do SEO, we'll manage your Instagram. But clients don't actually care about deliverabilities. They care about sales, leads, growth, and revenue. Businesses today are smarter. They no longer pay just for activity, they pay for results. And if another agency or AI tool can do the same work faster than cheaper, clients switch instantly. Let's talk about AI. AI can now write ad copy, generate creatives, edit videos, create content calendars, build landing pages, analyze campaigns, write SEO blogs, and even automate reporting. Tasks that used to take agencies today now take a minute. That changes everything because if your agency only sells execution, AI becomes your competitor. And clients are already asking, why am I paying high retention for work AI can help generate faster? This is why low value agencies are struggling. Another major issue, trust. Businesses are tired of fake promises, overpriced retainers, generic reposts, and zero transparency. Many agencies focus more on looking successful online than actual delivering results. Luxury offices, fancy presentations, viral LinkedIn posts, but clients care about one thing, ROI. If agencies cannot clearly connect marketing to business growth, they become replaceable. So, what type of agencies will survive? The answer, outcome driven agencies. The future belongs to agencies that combine AI, strategy, data, personal branding, automation, and business consulting. Future agencies won't just run ads, they will solve business problems. Instead of saying we'll manage social media, they'll say we'll help increase qualified leads by 30%. That positioning changes everything. The best agencies in 2027 will look more like growth partners, AI consultants, and business operations. Here is something most people underestimate. Personal brands are becoming more powerful than agency brands. Why? Because people trust people. A creator with authority on LinkedIn, YouTube, and Instagram can attract clients faster than traditional agency websites. In the AI era, trust is accuracy. That's why founders building content, sharing insights, and showing expertise publicity will dominate attention. The future agency owner is also a creator. If agencies want to survive the next few years, they must evolve immediately. Number 1, use AI internally. Agencies using AI will outperform agencies ignoring it. Number 2, focus on niche expertise. Generate agencies are becoming accommodatized. Specialized agencies win faster. Number 3, build authority online. Content is now client acquisition. Number 4, track real business outcomes. Clients care about revenue, not vanity metrics. And number 5, become indispensable. The goal isn't to be a vendor, the goal is to become a strategic growth partner. So, will agencies disappear completely? No. But average agencies will. The agencies that survive 2027 will be faster, leaner, AI powered, strategy focused, and deeply trusted. This isn't just death of agencies, it's the evaluation of agencies. And honestly, the biggest opportunity is still ahead. What do you think? Will AI destroy traditional agencies or will agencies evolve and become even bigger? Comment your thoughts below, and if you want more content on AI, SEO, digital marketing, businesses growth and future of marketing, make sure like, subscribe and turn on your notification. See you on next video.